Are you looking for shop, restaurants, or a property that has multi-use? Well, welcome to 805 Milling Street here in Lancaster. This property has so much to offer right around the corner from Lancaster Boulevard that was redone and rehabbed in 2010. We are in corner of Milling and Fern Avenue. The traffic here is phenomenal for if you want to open a business in this area. Come on in and let's check out this beautiful, unique property. This unique property is currently operated as a hair salon. So as you can see, the opportunities here are endless for any new business owner who wants to come in here for medical office, dental, maybe a spa or another hair salon. This property has 2 bedrooms, 1 bath with 2 living area, full kitchen and full bathrooms, and 2 studios that can be utilized for any future business owners. Let's check it out. So I'm standing right here in the parking lot for our unique listing. This parking lot holds 12 cars, and you can actually add on to the property another unit, or you can bring a trailer, so the opportunities are endless. And it's a block away from the main boulevard. As you can see, there is banking here, there is the city hall down the street, and the restaurant's right on your right here, which is a beautiful, beautiful place to be. And you will find the Lancaster Performing Arts Center right behind me here. Let's watch a movie, have some popcorn, grab a sandwich, and finish it with a beer.